For this activity, you need colorful balls, 2 containers, and a spoon like this. This is very good activity to improve fine motor skills, color recognition. It's very good. Now find a blue color one, Menika. Blue color one. Yes. Find a blue color one. Yes, very good. Now put a green color one. Good boy. Now put an orange color one. Find an orange color ball. Where's orange color? Orange color, orange color, where are you? Orange color. Oh, is that orange?
Yes.
No. Find an orange color one. That's light green. Yes, that is orange. Orange color, where are you? Habang. For this activity, you need 2 cups, 2 balls, 1 filled with water, and a clean sponge. Here, like this. This is a very good activity for improving fine motor skills. And normally kids like water, so this is a fun activity for him. Now fill all the water into the white color cup. Open up. Yes. Yes. Fill the cup, Menika. Fill the white color cup. Nah, there's more. One number fill, numbers number 2. Yes, put us number 2. Yes, very good. One amma fill. Yes. You put it? Okay, yes. One amma fill, numbers number 1. Yes, put us number 1. Put us number 1. Yes, put us number 1. Yes, very good. One amma fill, amma's number 7. Yes, very good boy. Puta's number 7. Oh, no, Amma feel? Okay, number 3. That's number 4. Okay, very good. Now, Amma feel? Amma number 4. Number 4 here. Number 4. Oh, good boy. Now, Amma feel? Amma's number 3. Here, where's your number 3? Very good. Number 3. Where's Puta's number 3? Where's Puta's number 3? Yes, green color one. Fill Amma's number 8. Come, fill 8. Where's Puta's number 8? That's a good boy. Amma will 0. Here, this is 0. Number 9. Yes, that's number 9. That is number 6. Yes.